on to making your dinner time effortless and enjoyable in our next scene. Now that we've mastered the basics, it's time to elevate our dish by crafting the perfect sauce. This is where the magic truly happens. Start by adding the chopped tomatoes to the pan. Stir well, ensuring they are evenly distributed with the sautéed onions and garlic. Pause for effect. Allow the tomatoes to cook down for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice the tomatoes starting to break down, releasing their juices and forming a rich, flavorful sauce. If you prefer a smoother consistency, this is the perfect time to use an immersion blender. Blend the sauce directly in the pan until it reaches your desired texture. Remember, the key to a great sauce is patience and allowing the ingredients to meld together beautifully. This homemade sauce will serve as a versatile base for countless dishes, from pastas to casseroles, making your quick dinner preparations even more effortless. Stay tuned as we continue our journey to stress-free dinners in the next scene. While our sauce is simmering and filling your kitchen with irresistible aromas, it's time to prepare the perfect pasta to pair with it. Bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil. The salt enhances the pasta's flavor, so don't skip this step. Add your favorite pasta, whether it's spaghetti, penne, or fusilli, and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Pause for effect. Remember, al dente means to the tooth in Italian, indicating the pasta should be firm to bite. This texture pairs perfectly with our rich homemade sauce. Here's a pro